Welcome to our guide on how to match face foundation perfectly. Whether you're new to makeup or a seasoned pro, finding the right foundation shade can be a game changer for your overall look. Step 1. Understanding your skin tone. Start by identifying whether your skin undertone is warm, cool, or neutral. Warm undertones have hints of yellow or gold. Cool undertones have pink or blue hues, while neutral undertones have a mix of both. Step 2. Test in natural light. Always test foundation on your jawline or wrist in natural light to ensure it blends seamlessly with your skin tone. Avoid fluorescent lighting as it can distort colors. Step 3. Choose the right formula. Consider your skin type when selecting a foundation formula. For oily skin, opt for oil-free or matte foundations. Dry skin benefits from hydrating or dewy formulas, while combination skin can use a versatile, medium coverage foundation. Step 4. Blend, blend, blend. Whether you prefer a brush, sponge, or fingertips, the key to flawless foundation application is blending. Start in the center of your face and work outward for a natural finish. Step 5. Set your foundation. To prolong wear and reduce shine, lightly dust translucent powder over your foundation. Focus on the T-zone and areas prone to oiliness. Bonus step, enhance with other products. Once your foundation is set, add dimension with bronzer, a pop of color with blush, and a glow with highlighter. Remember to blend for a seamless look. Congratulations! You've mastered the art of matching foundation to your skin tone. With these steps, you'll always achieve a flawless base for any makeup look. Subscribe to my channel for more helpful and educational videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video.